This video is about how to run demand gen campaign in 2025. Before set up this campaign, make sure you prepare with some crucial elements. At first, set up your goals. Ask yourself, what do I want from this campaign? More people to know about my brand? More downloads or sign up? More leads or customer? Second, know your audience. Think about who you want to reach. Audience age, location, job, what they search, watch or buy, their interest or online behavior. Also, for video ads, need 5 video. If you want to run video ads, must be uploaded your video on your YouTube channel. Demand gen have 3 options: video ad, single image ad, carousel image ad, also landing page URL, ad asset, 20 image, business logo, 5 headline within 30 characters and 5 description with 90 characters. Remember, headline and description must be audience hooking, also strong CTA. Now set up a demand gen campaign. Go to your Google Ads dashboard, click plus icon, campaign, create a campaign without guidance, select demand gen, then continue. Type here your campaign name, campaign goals, set your ad budget. Here 2 options: campaign total and daily. You can choose which one best for you. And then your ad budget. Select your ad start date and end date. Then location and language. Click on drop down menu. Enable campaign label, location and language targeting. Now target your right location from here. Also, you can use advanced search location. Then type here your targeted location. Now appear here our targeted location. Then click on include. Also, using radius, you can choose you want to show your ads within how much kilometers and mile in your targeted location. Then save. You can select your audience language. Now choose your device. That means which device show and which device does not show your ads. Like I want to show my ads at TV screen. So I uncheck this. Ad schedule. From which time to which time want to show your ads. It's 24 hours or your custom time. I select my custom time. Go to ad group. Now create your ad group name. Go to ad. Select your ad type and give a ad name. Now input here one by one website URL, image, logo, headline, description and business name. Then go to review and publish campaign. After live your campaign, monitor perfectly and optimize to bring the best result. Good luck.